take notebook and pencils also with you, and in our we have completed our first lesson. Which one? Animals around us. Yes, we have seen in that lesson different types of domestic animals, wild animals, birds, water animals, insects, some traveling animals also we have seen. Have you understood the lesson, first lesson, animals? Yes, all the different types of animals we have seen in that lesson. Next one, domestic animals, wild animals, how, which are they, what they eat, all we have seen. And now today we will start our new lesson, that is plants around us. Firstly, we see how many different types are on environment, are called overall surrounding us, are called environment, and in that environment there are some different types. We have seen first one is animals around us, and now second type is plants around us. Okay, have you seen plants, trees? Have you seen, children? Yes, I hope you see outside of your houses. There are some different types of trees, some plant, flowers, vegetables, fruits, all comes in a plant, all comes in a trees. So, you open your books on page number 12, open a new lesson and see. They are given here some name these plants. Okay, you have to identify which plant is this, which tree is this. Okay, first one is, which one is this? Chili. They are given here chili plant. Next one is coconut, banana tree is there. Sunflower plant, coconut tree, mango tree, pumpkin, creeper. Pumpkin are kept in creeper. Next one, beans is there, brinjal plant and rice crop. So you have to identify. They are given here small pictures of that fruits, flowers. We have to just identify and we have to write the names of that plant and trees. So I will write here some different types of trees, plants, fruits, vegetables. It all comes in plants, trees. Okay, so tell me the different names of trees. Do you know the trees? Trees are big in size and shape, and plants are small. Do you know trees are big in size and shapes? There are different size, different shape of trees also. Some trees are dark in color, some are parrot green colors. Okay, so trees are big in size and shape. So names of trees are mango tree, M-A-N-G-O, mango tree. Next one, banana tree, mango, banana tree. Next one, papaya tree. Papaya tree is also a big one. Papaya tree. Next one, coconut tree. Have you seen coconut tree, children? Yes, it's a tall tree. Ashoka tree. Next, some many more trees. Banyan tree. B-A-N-Y-A-N. Children, you have to open your books and write down while I am writing on board. All these names are important, so please write in your notebook. These names write down in your notebook. Okay, these are trees: mango tree, banana tree, papaya tree, coconut tree and banyan tree. All the trees are big in size and shape. While you are going walking on the road at in afternoon time, okay, if you are tired, where you go for a rest? You goes on to trees. Trees gives us shadow. Uses of trees means trees always gives us shadow. They gives us different types of fruits, vegetables, flowers. Trees and plants, both of them gives us three parts. What trees and plants gives us? Fruits, vegetables and flowers. So trees gives us shadow, shelter, it gives us. Trees are helpful to animals, birds also. Birds build their nest on trees. Okay, trees gives us, yes, sorry, birds makes their nest on trees. And plants also useful. Plants, some animals eat plants leaf. Some animals eat grass, plants. Okay. So plants here. Do you understood? What are the trees? Trees are big in size and shape. Trees gives us shelter. Trees gives us shadow. Trees gives us. Trees are also helpful to birds. They make their nest on trees. The big trees means they are in size and shape are big. Such type of examples: mango tree, banana tree, papaya tree, coconut tree, and banyan tree. Now we will write here some plants name. Which are the plants name? Do you know, children? In your book they are given here chili plants. Write them here. Chili plants. Here child, chili plant. Brinjal. Brinjal plant. Brinjal plant. Next one, hibiscus plant. Hibiscus plant. Next one, tulsi plant. Have you seen tulsi? Do you know tulsi? Yes. Next one, write down here tomato plant. Don't write in front of plant because I have already written here. This is sector of plant. Which are the plants? Chili, brinjal, hibiscus, tulsi, and tomato. Plants means they are in small in size and shape. Which plants grow up to the only size? Not big, not very big, but not very small also. But plants are always small in size and shape. As compared to the tree, trees are big in size and shape. Plants are small in size and shape. And plants gives us also fruits, vegetables, and flowers. Next one, we will write here fruits. Do you know fruit? Everyone? Yes. You are eating every day in your home fruits. There are different types of fruits. And what fruit gives us? Fruit gives us proteins, vitamins, fats, carbohydrate. Okay. All it comes from fruits. You should have to eat one fruit at daily. So tell me the names of different fruits. Banana. Next one, apple. Grapes. Next one, chiku. Next one, any other name of fruit? Yes. Okay, I will write here custard apple. Custard apple. Write down correct spelling. So fruits gives us all the vitamins, proteins we get. So here some name of apple, grapes, chiku, and custard apple. So we will start our new is vegetables. Fruits, vegetables, and flowers comes from trees and plants. So tell me the different types of vegetables which are they. You are eating daily at your home. Vegetables, different vegetables names are potato. Yes, potato. You have to write here. Potato, onion. Next vegetable is cabbage, tomato, ladyfinger. You know many other vegetables are also there. Cauliflower, chili, next beans, bitter gourd, pumpkin. All the vegetables are comes in vegetable part. Next one, fruits and vegetables both gives us proteins, vitamins. Next hemoglobin. All it comes from vegetables and fruits. Next one, remaining one is flowers. Tell me the different names of flowers. First one is, I am writing here, rose, lotus flower. Next one, lily, champa, There are different types of flowers also. Uses of flowers, anyone? Yes, we use flowers for decorate our houses, decorate at any festival time. You are decorating with by using flowers. Next one, flowers we are using to offer to God. Yes, we are using flowers. Next, it gives sometimes fragrance. Some incense sticks, perfumes, they are using flowers. Have you written, children's? You have to write these names, trees names, plants name, fruit name, vegetable and flowers name. Write down in your notebook and keep it in mind, trees are big in size and shapes, plants are small in size and shape, and fruits, vegetables gives us proteins, vitamins, carbohydrate, fats, etc. All it comes from fruits and vegetables. Flowers give, what flowers, uses of flowers are, we are using to offer to God for decoration to our houses at festival times. It uses in incense sticks, perfumes, they are using flowers. Okay, now we will turn to our lesson. I have already explained the name of these plants. You have to write names here by using your pencil. There is a chili plant, banana, sunflower, coconut, mango, pumpkin, beans, brinjal and rice. There are given here different types of crops, trees, plants, flowers and vegetables. So you have to complete the names here. So turn your page number 13. Do you have these plants in your locality? Yes, put right mark in the box. What they are given question here, listen. Do you have these plants in your locality? They are given here some plants name. If you see in your surrounding, you have to put here right mark, otherwise don't make it cross. Okay, have you seen tomato plant in your surrounding, in your locality? If yes, put right mark there. Papaya plant, drumsticks, beans, radish, watermelon, grapes, hibiscus, these are also beans I think. If you see, make only right mark. If you doesn't see, make a cross mark there. Okay. Have you done, children, this? Okay. On next, on your page number 14, they are given here different fruits, vegetables, flowers, plant. Okay. So, which first one is color this picture and name them. Color this picture and name them. First one is a tomato. Give red color to tomato and write the name there. Next one is, this is a leaf of banana. This is a leaf of banana. On next page, they are given here carrot. These are the carrots. Okay. You see in your textbook and give color. This is your homework. This is your homework. You have to color these all fruits, vegetables and write their names by using pencil. Don't write by pen. Use pencils. This is a carrot. Next one they are given here. Yes, apple. It's a apple. Make it color and write their names. Next one here they are given here. Which flower is this? Good. This is a lotus. Next one, last one is a brinjal. This is a brinjal. You have to color this 6 flower, fruits and vegetables and flowers also. Next, page number 17. Match the plants with their fruit by drawing line. Match the plants with their fruit by drawing lines. Open page number 7. If you have pencil in your hand, so match it right now. They are given here fruits and flowers and they are given here plants. You have to find out which plant and which fruit are same. Watermelon, first one here, 4th number watermelon, creeper is here. Watermelon plant, it's called a creeper. I will teach on next time what are the creeper, herbs are different shapes. Watermelon, fourth number, you have to match it here. Next, second one, rose. And in this side, last one is a rose plant. You have to see carefully. Where is a watermelon? Where are roses? Next one, groundnut. This is a groundnuts. In this side, second one is groundnut plants is here. They are given here. So match with here. Groundnuts and match with here. Next one, fourth one is coconut. These are the coconuts. You have to match it here. First one, there is a coconut tree. Coconuts and coconut tree. Last one is grapes. They are given here. Fruits is a grapes. So match with grapes with a grapes wine. 1, 2, 3. Third number. Grapes are in last. Here they are given here on third number of grapes. Have you done it? If you not, you have to complete it. In our next, before our next class, you should have to match these plants, fruits, flowers with this plant side. Next one on page 18. Have you seen these plants? If yes, mark with a right mark. Here are some again different flower and vegetables. They are given here, fruits. If you see this your surrounding, you have to make right mark here. First one they are given here, strawberry plant. Strawberry tree. Have you seen? I think no. Then make it here cross. If you not seen, do it cross mark. If you seen, make it right mark. These are the marigold flowers. Have you seen? Yes. Make it right mark. Peach. Next one, lady's finger plant. Tulsi. I think Tulsi. In everyone's house there were Tulsi plant are also available. Tulsi gives us oxygen, which needs all the human beings. Tulsi gives us oxygen. So plant, Tulsi plant. Next one, here is a crop of jawar. I think jawar. Next, pomegranate. These are the pears. If you seen these plants and trees in your surrounding, make it right mark. If you not seen, make it cross mark. Next point. On page number 19, they are also given here the same beetroot. Next one, these are the forestry, bamboo tree. I think next bamboo tree. There are some different flowers, potatoes, coconut tree. All the trees and plants are given here. You have to, if you see, make it right mark. If you not, make it cross mark. Color the picture given below. Ask and know. They are given here fruits name. You have to color these and writing down their names. And last one is there on last page. They are given here vegetables name. You have to color these vegetables and write their names. Okay. Thank you. We will continue.